Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, Leanbiome. But before we dive in, a quick reminder to support the channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, and leaving a comment below about which products you'd like us to review next. Your support helps us bring more great content to you. And now, let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some people can stay lean without much effort, while others struggle with weight gain despite their best efforts? Well, a recent study at King's College London involving 3,600 sets of twins has shed some light on this mystery. The researchers found that lean twins had a rich and diverse gut microbiome full of lean bacteria species. These beneficial bacteria help suppress hunger, reduce cravings, boost metabolism, and decrease fat storage. On the other hand, the overweight twins had a less diverse gut microbiome dominated by fat bacteria, which increased hunger, fueled uncontrollable cravings, slowed metabolism, and increased fat storage. This groundbreaking discovery led to the development of Leanbiome, a unique formula designed to rebalance your gut microbiome with the right kind of lean bacteria. Leanbiome combines 9 clinically researched lean bacteria species with Greenselect Phytosome, a next-generation, caffeine-free green tea extract. This powerful blend helps reverse the bacterial imbalance in your gut, which is the newly discovered root cause of belly fat and unexplained weight gain. Key ingredients and their benefits. 1. Lactobacillus gasseri. In a 12-week clinical trial published in the British Journal of Nutrition, Japanese scientists found that participants who consumed Lactobacillus gasseri lost an average of 8.5% of belly fat. This species significantly reduced overall body weight, BMI, waist size, and dangerous visceral fat around the organs. The control group showed no changes, proving the effectiveness of L-gasseri in curbing appetite, firing up metabolism, and reducing fat storage. 2. Lactobacillus rhamnosus. In a study at the University of Laval in Canada, participants who took L. rhamnosus lost an average of 9.7 pounds of fat, which was twice as much as the placebo group. This bacteria species is incredibly effective in promoting weight loss. 3. Lactobacillus fermentum. A study at the University of Manitoba showed that participants who took L. fermentum experienced a 3% drop in body fat in just 43 days, compared to a 1% reduction in the placebo group. This species tripled the level of fat loss in just 6 weeks. 4. Greenselect Phytosome. This advanced green tea extract is clinically shown to rebalance the gut microbiome. In a clinical trial published in the Journal of Alternative Medicine, participants who took Greenselect Phytosome lost an average of 30 pounds in 90 days, nearly 3 times more than the diet-only group. Advanced Delivery System. Leanbiome uses cutting-edge Deercaps capsules to ensure that the lean bacteria survive your stomach acid and reach your gut microbiome. These acid-resistant capsules act like an armored car, delivering the bacteria safely where they can work their magic. So, if you're tired of struggling with weight gain and are looking for a natural and effective solution, Leanbiome might be just what you need. Check out the link in the description for more information and to get your own Leanbiome today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you've tried Leanbiome or if there are other products you'd like us to review. See you next time.